bit. The fuck you gonna do that?
Just gonna unpause it properly. Hey Siri.
Hello guys.
Playing some Fortnite, Ahmed. Found okay.
Okay guys.
Lighting.
Today
Today we are doing Miracle Berry.
just coming for the camera.
Avocado.
We got Miracle Berry. God, explain what that is, God.
It makes everything taste like a miracle.
And
Yep.
berry.
Dingle
So we got a
berry.
bunch of
Dingle.
we got the dingleberries. And they have
These are illegal in this state.
they're legal.
We have to do some stuff.
They're legal in 15 states.
We had to do a little
You have to have many background checks.
border crossing.
But but don't tell anyone. But we have to plug.
So we got a bunch of stuff to try.
So here we have some Kool-Aid.
It's not cool.
Here we have some.
At the end, we're going
Purple
to do
drink.
we're going to do
Purple
bleach
drink.
at the end. So you guys have
Stay
to stay for
tuned.
that.
Stay tuned.
Guys, we have to be useful with these because these were like $13 for everything.
Wait, are y'all doing it?
Let me the
We're
video.
all doing it, right? Oh fuck.
Okay.
Let me
So don't eat it.
Let me pop a
Yeah, Dad, let it just
Don't
like
eat
move
it
it around your mouth.
Don't eat it.
Move it like wait
You
for it
move
to
it, you're
dissolve.
never gonna be on a video, man.
If you bite it, you die like instantly.
You gotta be mindful with this because it's only 15
Wait, does I'm
minutes.
gonna do
right?
it?
Right,
Huh?
right.
Is I'm gonna do it?
Yeah. Ants, we got Ants 111.
Answer special guest. You
These
might a-
have not been tested with young children yet, so this is gonna be.
You might
I
have some
could
side
have an
effects.
allergic reaction.
It does
Wait,
have
could
peanuts
it-
in it.
But that's the risk we're willing to take. So
Okay, the
Yeah.
ingredient. Okay, wait. Did you put
So
it
what
in
do
your
you
mouth
do?
already?
Just put it in your mouth.
And don't bite it. Don't bite it. Just
bite
wait
it.
for it to dissolve.
Did you put it?
Like make it like
No,
like a
ready?
Jolly Rancher.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
You have to let it dissolve.
Oh wait.
Pop the one? Oh, it fell out.
Put it around your mouth like.
Who's
Don't bite
that?
And then dissolve.
Is this vinegar right now?
Oh,
Special guest.
Damon. Yo, would you like to try milk and
I've tried them before. You want to use it?
It's gonna pop one.
Don't bite it. Let it dissolve in your mouth. You better not bite it.
Okay. Look, get your out of here, bro.
The 4-2.
The Furious? Bro, the lemon's gonna burn so bad. Look at this.
But you have to do it for this. You have to do it.
I have to do it.
Pina colada.
Wait,
No,
try
yeah.
salt?
Okay, yeah.
Let me see yours.
You have to move it around like.
We put a little tahini in it. I'm in.
Let me try to that him last night.
Bell pepper? Cut that. Let me see. Let me see the inside of that bell pepper quickly.
Coconut or what?
Why is it hollow?
Bell peppers or gas or.
Mine's done.
Mine's done.
Nope.
Is yours done at? Well, we get to start because this feeds away like. I don't know. It has like 100
Tony,
calories. You can bite it, but like don't like follow it. Like
Wanna
just like
take-
chop some.
Should I try this? Let's all get one?
Yeah.
Are you almost done?
What is it? Cranberry? That's what it's called?
I got raspberry.
Raspberry.
That's soggy, bro.
Cranberry.
Why are they all soggy?
Smooth, they're fun.
Ready?
All together.
3.
Oh, wait.
Let me see yours then.
That's strawberry now.
What? Switch it around.
You ready? 3.
2. Wait, hello,
So
sweet.
sweet. Alright.
You want to try this?
The lemon's gonna taste the weirdest.
3, 2,
Go.
1. Oh my god.
What?
It's like lemonade.
The lemon tastes better than the lime for
No,
sure.
I'm gonna try an orange. You can eat it, just all of it.
It's like citrus. It's
Bro,
citrus.
orange tastes so good.
I know it's like hella sweet, huh?
No, I feel like the strawberries and the raspberries taste the best.
What's the blue and pink? Oranges are hella sweet.
Mouthwash.
Mouthwash.
Bro, it feels weird. Like it's supposed to be sour.
What? Do it for the camera.
Oh, it's sweet.
Yeah?
It is.
But they're already sweet.
It's actually sweet.
What the?
Is it? We're just biting.
Wait, if I ate a miracle berry, would it be sweet?
Fuck. Strawberries?
The lemon.
What the fuck? Who ate all the strawberries?
Doesn't
There's
taste
no more strawberries? Oh fuck!
What is that? God.
What
Show
is
the
that?
camera, guy.
What is that?
A flower.
Oh.
Are you allowed to eat that?
Let me see.
Are these supposed to
It
taste
doesn't
sweet?
taste that bad.
Yeah.
I don't know what that is.
I don't remember. It's
how this
normal. It's like a flower. Fuck. It's like a flower.
The coconut is like pretty sweet.
Yeah.
The cherry taste is different.
It's actually super sweet, the coconut.
I think it's already super sweet.
But more.
Oh gosh, hella sweet.
Avocado.
Oh yeah.
Avocado? You try.
We're just eating avocado like this.
Oh.
It's normal. It's normal.
Yeah, there's no flavor change.
Cut the lime.
Man, you just
Fire. Is that crying?
Record it.
you should time lapse this. Just him picking up. I think this time lapse this.
Bro, it's like tasting like you're like putting pure sugar to your mouth.
What?
Oh my
This-
god.
I don't know.
Wait. Wait.
Oh look.
It's a little bit sour.
Oh, strawberry.
It tastes sweet. It just tastes sweet, huh?
Yeah.
It takes away.
Strawberry tastes like lemonade. It's hard. Yeah, it's just like candy, huh?
Take out your tongue. It's just sweet.
It's so sweet. It's just sweet.
Oh my god.
The strawberries are hella sweet. I'm gonna fuck up this other one.
You trying the lemon? I mean the lime.
I got what you want.
It tastes sweet.
It tastes better than a lemon.
Oh, the
yeah.
lemonade.
Oh, it's cool though.
Oh. I don't think there's any more, but.
It's hella sweet, but I don't know. I think it's already, was it hella sweet already?
Let me see.
Wait, ready?
Tito, now when you just eat the lemon, it's like lemonade.
Oh, it's so sweet. Oh my god, it's so sweet.
No, guy, that's way more sweeter than.
Yeah?
No, it's sweet as.
That's way more sweeter than it was before.
God,
It does not taste good.
Was it sweet?
Yeah.
Ah, that's like too sweet.
That's like candy. Oh, we tried this one, it's hella sweet.
Oh my god, it's so sweet.
So,
Nah, it's sweet. This is like dog shot. I'm not trying that. Try it. I'm not getting that. Get some on your finger.
Is it sweet or what?
This is weird. Like sweet ranch?
Sweet.
It's like kind of sweet.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's from like the.
It kind of tastes sweet too.
Oh yeah. Ew. Mouthwash? I'm gonna try mouthwash. Ready? Allergic. I'm gonna try mouthwash.
To what?
Miracle berry.
Lemon just tastes like.
just die like in the next hour. It's sweet. It's hard sweet.
it's sweet?
Oh, taste this.
Tito.
We're not right here.
Oh, that's sweet.
It's hella sweet.
Honey.
Oh!
Bro.
No, why
don't you just
chew a napkin?
It's fire, huh?
Wait.
Take the.
Like, actually?
Take the.
Wait!
Take the.
Okay, guys, we're gonna try this next.
Nah,
Wait.
dude, we should melt chocolate.
Wait, I actually want to try
We should
it.
melt chocolate. Put like on our face and be like, we're gonna guys, it's so good. I mean, oh, why would you try that? That's like not as bad as it usually is. And then,
I know the lemon tastes like lemonade.
You take a bite of pizza?
I think I picked up the miracle berry.
So, we have Jelly Ranchers.
Bro, the lemon I can just eat.
I know.
What the fuck?
Bro,
It tastes weird.
hey, bring out the sweetness in the pizza. What the hell? I'm not kidding, bring out like a little bit of sweetness to it.
Oh,
Oh!
Tomato sauce.
Oh, that's a lot of
it's too sweet.
What is yum yum sauce? Oh, that is-
Lemon sauce is the best sauce.
What's yum yum sauce?
You have sour
Oh,
It's like you barbecue. You barbecue.
You have grapefruit.
We have strawberry.
It tastes like lemon sauce.
what?
Oh no way!
Oh!
What is that?
Oh, let's go,
I don't
bro.
like pickles.
I love pickles. Do not drink moisturizer.
Here, give me a bite. I have. I don't like pickles, but
For
Wait,
the lid?
how'd you get the
lid.
fickle guy with the knife?
That's so sweet.
It's weird how.
Give me. Tony, to share one?
Oh, fuck. It's
Do you
sweet.
like pickles?
Guys!
Yeah?
Some block.
Oh my god!
It's sweet, huh?
No way! It's actually so
It's
sweet!
so sweet.
What the?
What?
Nah! Want to try that?
It's so weird. The one that's in here.
You don't need creamer? It's I'm trying barbecue.
Subtly sweet. Like pour a little bit.
Bro,
Here, get.
tell us sweet.
The barbecue sauce? I don't want to
It
try
kind of
this.
tastes like syrup.
Oh, wait, what? Carlitos, that's not. It's a liquid.
I know.
Instead of creamer.
Oh god damn.
I want some.
60 Eggos?
I don't know if it's supposed to be. I don't know.
Like 3
Packages of 60 Eggos.
I don't know if it's supposed to be this sweet.
What if you eat hella berries? Is this just by itself? Is it
Yeah.
sweet already?
It's subtly sweet.
What is this? Coffee already?
Yeah.
Oh.
No, that's sweet. Was it supposed to be sweet? Like,
A little
The
sweet.
camera stop.
oh, it's supposed to be a little sweet. Hey man, try the cough. That cough.
Coffee tastes bad.
It's like no.
I know, it's big. I remember it's funny.
Coco, suck dick.
It's so. Look at it. It's so weird.
Tehong.
It's like sweet tahini.
What the?
What, sweet?
Yeah.
It's sweet.
Oh, it's
What?
so sick.
Let me see. Tony reactions. That's calm 4K food. What?
Is it spicy?
Tony, why are you like? Damn, this gets hot, right?
Yeah.
You
Yeah,
recording in
that's
4K or something?
Is that? I'm sorry.
Let me have
Was
a
that me?
piece. No, let me just have a piece.
I'm sorry.
Oh.
Okay, ready? Ready? Yeah, it's fine.
The pedigree, like the food.
The pedigree?
Yeah, I was like, but I don't know if it's sure enough, but like it's not too bad.
You get salad.
Oh yeah, can you watch that down?
But you actually ate it.
Yeah, that's really dog food. Tony's fine.
Hey, we just homemade pizza. It's like dog.
Wait, you guys? Oh, you guys fat up. Coco, jump! Jump!
Get it, go, get it.
How big is your pizza thing?
Go.
Like-
Small.
How did you drink it?
Put it in my hand.
What is that? Try that shit. That's what is it?
Here's the crab.
I don't even know what to think.
B-roll?
I think it's already worn off for me though.
Let me get a little B-roll.
No, it doesn't.
Tony, are they taking you?
The thing you can test it with is the
Wait,
lid.
you can. Some wine?
I feel like wine would taste kind of sweet.
Grateful, thankful, blessed.
Reach over up there. Oh, yeah. Introducing Miracle Berry. Get that out of the way. It's blocking structures.
So Anthony, what do you think about the miracle berries, Anthony?
Goes up everything.
It's just kind of gay.
What was your favorite? And what was the word?
Favorite was strawberries and raspberries. Least favorite was dog food. Dog food was my least favorite.
What was your favorite? And which one was your worst?
Flavors busted in my mouth.
That's not what I asked you that.
My favorite was I think the strawberry. The strawberry was hella sweet. And the worst one was bad.
Pizza.
Oh yeah, the pizza. The pizza is
It's like weird.
it's like kind of bad.
Like the cheese and the sweet.
Sick him. Sick him. Sick him, girl. What about?
What was the worst and which one was the best?
The worst one was probably the soy sauce. The best one was the lemon. Or the tahini was pretty good too.
Stick him. Stick him.
That doesn't count.
Suck him.
Suck him.
Suck me.
Stick him.
Suck me.
Sit.
She can't escape from here.
Time out.
Coco.
She can't escape.
Go backflip. Go shit.
Whoa, later, guys. That was a video today.
Did you hear me? The Coco shit.